Remote Start allows you to start your Silverado's engine from a distance to preheat or cool the cabin. It's typically limited to 15 to 20 minutes to prevent battery drain. For 2019 to 2022 models, it's integrated via the key fob or the My Chevrolet app. Ensure your vehicle is in park, with the doors locked and the key fob is within a 100 feet range. Note that Remote Start won't work if the hood is open or the fuel level is low. Also, make sure your key fob has battery life in it. To use the key fob, first, press the lock button twice. Then press and hold the Remote Start button, which is the circular button with a sun icon, for 2 to 4 seconds until the parking lights flash. The engine will run for 15 minutes and can be extended by repeating these steps. To stop, press the Remote Start button again. For the My Chevrolet app, available on 2020-2022 models, download the app, link your vehicle via OnStar, and select Remote Start. The app allows for longer range starts, leveraging cellular networks. Make sure to have an active OnStar account to use this feature.